families that stay behind to are the silent heroes of our military. Their sacrifices do not go unrecognized, and we thank every mom, dad, husband, wife, son, and daughter who support their deployed military members each day while they fight to keep our own country free. Now, from your right, watch the formation of 6 F-16s precisely maneuver, showcasing teamwork at its finest for the Delta formation. Woo!